Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Supernegotiate. This time, I'm going to do something new. Couple of weeks back, I did a negotiation workshop which lasted for about three and a half hours, and it was received very well. So I have decided to break that workshop down into a 60-day program. This video is day one, and I'm going to release one video every day for next 60 days so that you have bite-sized content. So let's get started. Day one of the negotiation, T-60 is what I'm calling this. So 60 days before you actually sit in the negotiation room, what you're going to do at T-60 today. So figure it out. What is your negotiation objective? I know it sounds simple, but this is T-60 a day. Find out what are you looking for. Are you looking for cost reduction, faster delivery time, better terms and condition, or have you already made up your mind that you want to replace that vendor? It is super important. Second thing you want to check, who are your bidders? Whether they are the incumbent bidders or existing bidders, whether you have new bidders. Is there any tender bidding list that has already been decided? Get early and get involved in who is going to participate in your tender. What's the likely bidder list that is being formed? The third, of course, it's a basic. We are speaking scope of work, timelines, what is the budget, etc., etc., etc. Know what is your internal stakeholder list, who's going to decide, who's the decision-making authority. And the fourth, which is my pro tip, because it is Supernegotiate, I'm going to give you how to make yourself more advanced than the other. So the fourth is a secret that has worked for me. Start channeling the conversation. What do I mean by that? You have to inform everyone, not only your suppliers, but internal stakeholders also, that you are in charge. Every communication goes through you. Neither the supplier can contact your inter-stakeholders directly. They have to be going through you, whether it is internal, whether it is external. I cannot stress enough how important this will be in the next few rounds of negotiation. So start becoming the flow of conversation, be it be technical or business or procurement, anything. Every communication goes through you. We'll speak more about it. Note down these 4 points and I will see you next day. Till then, goodbye and follow Supernegotiate.